Hello everyone, it's Kelly again and welcome back to my channel. Today I am building a Christmas tree out of Christmas ornaments. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm starting with, I'm using this jar here as kind of a form actually to build my first row of ornaments. So because I wanted to make sure it was perfectly a circular. So so you'll just find anything that is going to give you the size that you want. This one is going to allow me to put 8 on my first row, and then I will be building on top of that, but I will be, like, every row I'll just be putting just one last bulb on there, if that makes sense. So let's do this, and I'm using my glue gun to glue these together, so I hope that holds up. So let's get busy. I went ahead and I have 4 already going around this side, and so I'm just going to continue with that. And so let's see, what I didn't want to have a lot of glue in between the bulbs, so I'm hoping that you don't see it, because I don't want it to show, so I'm just using a little bit of glue between each one, and I just hold it for a few seconds, and oops, sorry about that, and till it kind of hardens. And then I'm just turning this around my my jar to keep it the same. And next I'm going to use a gold. So I'm just trying to find out where they kind of touch at, and then I put my little dab of glue, and I'm putting the part of the bulb with the hook on it on the inside of it. Alright, so I'm going to keep moving. I'm just going to keep pushing it around so I don't have to move it around too much. And I'm going to go with the sparkly red and place that down, and then, well, let's see, yeah, I want to do that. Okay, and put my dab of glue right there, push the bulb up next to it. Okay, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be my last bulb on this round. So I will need to hopefully get it connected. Yeah, it'll connect perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put glue on this one. Just a little dab. Push that against it. Hold it for just a second. Okay. And you can find, I think these were bulbs that I had from last year. I just kept them. I just found it in our storage area, so I didn't have to buy anything for this. So, oh, that one came apart. I don't know if I put enough glue on that one or not, but let's try. I need a glue stick. Maybe I didn't put enough glue, that's why that didn't hold, hopefully. Because they've already come apart, so I don't know if this is going to hold or not. Hopefully. Okay, I'm just going to turn it again and try it again. Put some more glue right there. A little bit more this time, and push it all together. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this jar out. Push that together. Okay, and there's my first. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. This was just my, an idea that my husband gave me, and so we are trying that. Okay, so then we're going to start on the next row. And on this row, what you're going to do is you're going to add glue to the bottom, and then when you put the next one on, you're going to have glue here, here, and then here. So let me do that. I'm trying to see where it's going to hit, because I don't want to put, like I said, I don't want too much glue because I don't want it showing. And stick that. It's a little more glue than I would like. I'm going to hold that just for a second. I probably could have left that jar in here. Okay. Get that little clump of glue there. Now we're going to, let's do green. So, I'm going to have to do, which I thought it would lay kind of in between, but it doesn't look like that, is my, let's try this and see what it does. I need a glue stick. I lost my other one. Okay, so we want to glue here, and then right there, and hopefully that's my spot. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is really raining out here in Kentucky today. Oh boy, there's my other glue stick. Okay, so let's go with a, this is going to make just a pretty much kind of like a fat, short Christmas tree. It looks like. So I'm going to add a little glue here, and then a little glue there. I think that's, nope, that's not my spot. Shoot. Okay. Alright. I'm keeping all the things on the inside. And let's go with the red. Do I want glimmer? Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. And let's see, let's try a green one again, I guess. Okay. I hope I have enough room for one more. It's a good day to be in your craft room. I hope I have enough room for one more, and that's going to be red, but I won't, oh boy. This is not what I was hoping. Let's try to put that back on there before that glue gets hardened. The next layer, I may only be able to put like 3 on there, but it'll still, I think it'll turn out cute. Okay, and then we're going to put one more. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Okay, let's see. And then I think on this one, yep, we may only get to do 3, and then one on the top. I need a green one. No, let's take this one. Yeah, that one. I think it'll be a cute short little tree. And I'll top it off with a green one. What do you think? Is that going to be a cute little fat tree? I think it's going to be cute. Okay. Let me start gluing these on here. Find where my glue's going to hit. And I might put a little bow on top or something. I'll find out where this is going to hit. And then this last one. Okay, right there, and right there. Okay, and then we'll put one on the top. That's a cute little fat tree. I really like it. A little glue in between them. They kind of have something to hang on to. Okay. There we go. I think that's cute. What do you think, y'all? I have to clean up some of my spider webs, or my glue webs. Okay. I think that's cute. I think that's going to be cute sitting on a table somewhere. I don't know if I want to put anything on it or not. Let's see. I think I've got a piece of ribbon here, but I may need to get something a little longer. Let me get a longer piece. Yeah. I'm hooked on this plaid ribbon that I got. I think I got, where'd I get it from? Walmart. I am stuck on it. Okay, let me cut off a piece. And then make a little bow. Okay, and I'm sorry, y'all. I should have had this ready. I think what I'm going to use is a little piece of twine to tie the middle. So let me cut a piece of that off. And tie this in the middle. It's just a simple bow. This is just a simple little decoration. I just wanted to add a few new homemade things this year. Okay. Let me cut this off. I don't need that. Okay. I'm going to have that sitting right on top. Whoops. I don't know why my camera won't sit still. it? I'm sorry, y'all. Stay. Stay. Oh, I've got it sitting on a jar and it's not sitting still. Is that gonna stay? No. Okay. Got my camera fixed. So, like I said, I made this little bow and I'm going to make sure I have these ends cut at kind of an angle. Kind of give it a finished look. And then do this other one. Okay. And then I think I'm just going to stick it like right there. Okay. A big little up there and stick it on my bow. Oh, got a little glue. Stick on my fingers. Alright. So y'all, what do you think? That just sitting out somewhere would be so cute. Alright, well thank you for watching and I will see you soon. Please subscribe and comment below. I would love to hear from you. You have a great rest of the week.